Hi, I'm Fritz JT Sarmiento. So I'm a QA/QC lead for the South Luzon projects. We are ensuring na yung quality ng bahay is de kalidad na natatapos throughout the construction stages. So nandun din yung role na yung bahay is dapat within quality and as per specifications, standards, prior to turnover to vecinos. As a developer, si Aboitizlan is an innovator. So the innovations that I am proud of my team is yung mga innovations na related sa digitalization as well as yung improvements ng checklists. Gearing towards din sa digitalization, i-mention ko siguro yung NOAA. So yung NOAA kasi is ongoing platform namin na magamit siya during inspection paperless. Advantages ng NOAA is tinitingnan namin yung paperless inspection. So doon namin tinitingnan na mas mapabilis yung inspection namin. Values ni Aboitizlan yung responsibility. So anchored kami doon sa values na yun na in-ensure namin na less waste, digital, mas madali yung analysis ng data. Kasi nandun yung platform to gather and analyze yung mga data na nagagather namin, mas madali yung feedback ng information sa construction management team kung ano yung mga common vecino findings. So for the precast system, mas napapabilis yung construction as well as yung efficiency ng inspections kasi pinabricate siya bago kinasa dun sa site. Less human intervention yung system na yun. And then yung turnover rate, syempre, mas mabilis yung mas quality yung i-deliver natin na products.